This is what a typical industrial manufacturing plant looks like today. It encompasses all these different processes within the same environment. And the goal is to get everything connected from sales all the way through to logistics and shipping. So much productivity is lost when these processes don't speak to each other, or users are having to manage these core processes outside of their main system. CloudSuite was built to unify this environment into a cohesive business flow. Looking at the functional footprint of Infor CloudSuite, you can see it includes all of the major functionality you normally see broken up into third-party products with other systems. Sales order management and CRM are fully integrated into Microsoft Outlook right out of the box. Infor offers best-in-class supply chain planning and management, looking all the way through a fully indented BOM with advanced planning and scheduling, looking at finite capacity to boil it down to a capable to promise date you can count on. Definitely a huge differentiator with Infor, and we'll take a deeper look later on. You'll also have a full quality management solution, so tracking quality by supplier, in-process quality inspections, and performance reporting is all part of the standard CloudSuite Industrial solution within the SaaS model. Also included with Infor's cloud offering is service management, which will be a huge benefit to companies who need to track field service personnel with mobile devices, manage loaners and rentals, and even see service history as of a certain date. Financial management entails everything you'd expect to find from an accounting perspective, including asset management and multi-currency, which does not require an add-on, by the way. And projects and project resource planning is fully supported out of the box. It comes with the model, which more and more companies are leveraging today. This is a great way to track R&D, or for companies with long-term, large-scale manufacturing opportunities with the support you need for milestone billing and multiple sources contributing to whatever cost buckets you can dream up. The system comes with tons of KPIs and reports right out of the box, so you can hit the ground running with visibility into the performance and health of your business. Plus, Infor supports human resources and payroll for companies wishing to leverage that functionality. And finally, you'll also have access to the same technology platform Infor used to build the entire CloudSuite platform, so you'll be equipped with all the extensibility you can shake a stick at. And that means you can modify and change any of the forms that you'll see. You can add buttons, shortcuts, you can monitor fields, trigger workflows, or even develop your own applications. It's only limited by your own imagination.